Hey, welcome back to 24 Rooter TV. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to prevent a kitchen drain from clogging up over time with one little simple trick. This is just one of a few that is in a series that we're going to be doing about this exact same topic. So if that sounds interesting to you, be sure to like and subscribe. In the description of this video down below, we'll have links to the other videos as they come out. Anyway, stay tuned. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the topic. We're going to show you two things today. One is you're going to need some Dawn dishwashing soap. There's going to be more information about that at the end of this video. Stick around about that. You're going to want to use Blue Dawn. Second is based on our years of doing this, of 20 years of doing drain cleaning. And one of the things that we run into with our customers and what ends up being the cause or the problem of the clog is that in today's busy world, a lot of times, we don't like to have dishes stacked up, and we have dishwashers, and so we want to keep the counters clean, right? So what ends up happening is we have one of these little doodads, like so, or something kind of like this, right? So what a lot of people will do to keep up with those dishes is they'll just run some hot water and they'll have their little deal like this. These are clean dishes. Maybe it would work better if I used an actual dish. So we just kind of take and, scrub them off, and kind of rinse them at the same time and throw them into the dish strainer, right? Well, what I'm about to tell you next is that you got to keep in mind that all those little food particles and little things that come off that dirty dish are going into an 1.5-inch pipe, drain pipe underneath your house. Forgive me, I should have brought a drain pipe to show you what I'm talking about. Hold up, I found one. Okay, here's a kind of a demonstration. So imagine this is what's underneath your house. It's only an 1.5-inch drain pipe, okay? And we run the water. Now the amount of water that's going down that drain is only about that large, about the size of my finger here, going inside that pipe. And so you got to take into consideration that all those food particles, everything that you're washing down there, even if you're careful about cleaning plates, there's always a little bit of residual food and grease and sludge buildup and whatnot, on those plates. So what ends up happening is that there's not enough water to carry those food particles through the drain. So what our suggestion is, and we tell this to all of our customers, that once a week, what you're going to want to do for no other reason, and we always suggest garbage day as the day you do this. There'll be more information about that here after a bit, towards the end. So you're going to use some Blue Dawn dishwashing detergent and just fill it up with hot water. And then you're just going to pull the plug. What that's going to do is that's going to flush all those food particles down your pipe. It's going to give it a big whoosh to help maintain keeping this pipe nice and clean, or as clean as it possibly can. Let's go outside next. I'll show you what I set up outside to give you a little demonstration on exactly what I'm talking about and what the difference is. Let's do that now. Rudimentary. We don't have the budget of Hollywood, but this will be a good demonstration just to show you kind of what we're talking about back in the house. This first demonstration would represent you just turning on your faucet and washing off your dishes. And in the next demonstration, we're going to simulate if you were to plug off your sink. I'm just going to use this old towel to plug it off. That down in there. Oh. Making a mess here. It's low budget. Hollywood, where are you? That should be enough to give you the idea. Now watch how fast this goes into the bucket now. Here we go. Definitely a difference right there. Now do you see what I mean? Okay, so hopefully now you understand what I'm saying. Anytime you plug off your kitchen drain and pull that plug, you got a lot more water coming down the pipe to help maintain and float all that crud out. Majority of it. Don't get me wrong, no matter what, kitchen drains just tend to plug up over time. But what we're trying to do today is give you some information on how to prolong that without actually being the cause of the problem through what we were talking about before. So let's get back to garbage day. Why do I say garbage day? Well, if you forget garbage, this is what happens. And nobody likes that, right? So we never forget garbage day, or else we're stuck with that extra garbage for a whole week until, you know, whoops. As far as Blue Dawn, you know, with a whole slew of different types of dish soaps out there, there's only two that we recommend. And one of them is the original green palm olive, and the other one is Blue Dawn and Orange Generic. That's going to be another video. Here's a little clip of what's to come. Okay, so there's a little blip of what we're going to be talking about next. That's going to surprise you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to 24 Rooter. Grow with us as we go. We're going to be bringing out a whole lot more information to help you. That's what we do with all of our customers, and now we're going to take it to you and here on YouTube, and let's grow together. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, click the little notification bell. Let's do this. Have a good day. Thanks.